All right, we're here with Trailship today, and we're going to be modifying a skid plate for the LJ. It's got a little bend to it. Tried a few methods, so we're bringing out the big artillery. Come along and join us. Alright, so we got the skid plate straightened out pretty good. We're going to have to do a little bit of welds to it. We're going to let Savvy take care of that, and then we'll probably install it next weekend. Thank you for watching.